Today we are going to study about the rotation of shapes. Rotation is done in four types. First one is clockwise. It has two things, 90-degree clockwise or 180-degree clockwise, and second thing is anti-clockwise. Same 90-degree anti-clockwise and 180-degree clockwise. Today we are going to study about 90-degree clockwise rotation. So clockwise rotation is according to clock. This is quadrant number 1. This is quadrant number 2. The shape is present in quadrant number 2. So when we are going to rotate it 90-degree clockwise, the shape goes in quadrant 1. Over there, all the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinates, are positive. So when we are going to rotate the shape, the coordinates of the points are shuffled or interchanged. That means when we are going to rotate the shape and point A that moves in quadrant number 1, the value or the coordinates become opposite, and that would be A coordinate as 2 and 8. As x and y are both positive in this quadrant, so both x coordinate and y coordinate would be positive. When B, before the coordinates were -8 and 6, now when we are going to rotate it, the coordinates become 6 and 8, and both would be positive as it's going into quadrant number 1. And C point would be 5 and 2. Previous it was, and now it would be 2 and 5. Now plotting these points, A is 2 and 8. So 2 on the x-axis and 8 up. So it comes over here, 7 and 8. So I'm going to name it as A prime. The second one is going to be 6 and 8. So 6 on the x-axis and 8 on the y-axis. So it comes over here. So this is going to be B prime. And the last value is C. The coordinates are 2 and 5. So 2 and 5. So this would be C prime. Now when we are going to join the shape, so this is the shape that we are going to get, and this is the rotation 90-degree clockwise. When we are supposed to rotate the shape 90 degrees anti-clockwise, 90 degrees anti-clockwise, so the coordinates would remain same. A would be 2 and 8, B would be 6 and 8, C would be 2 and 5. The shape will come in quadrant number 3, as both x and y axes are negative over here. So A prime would be -2 and -8, B prime would be -6 and -8, and C prime would be -2 and -5. Plotting these points, A prime -2 on the x-axis and -8 on the y-axis comes up over here. B prime is -6 and -8, so -6 and -8 comes up over here. And C prime is going to be -2 and -5. Now joining these points, the shape is rotated 90 degrees anti-clockwise.